Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Rolling Walker is probably one of the most versatile mobility aids available, offering a blend of support, convenience, and independence. Whether you're navigating the grocery store, enjoying a leisurely stroll, or simply need a safe way to get around the house, a rolling walker with a seat, basket, and brakes can significantly enhance your quality of life. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes a great rolling walker. Number 5. Drive Medical 10257BL, 1 Rollator Walker. This rolling walker is both durable and stylish. It features a strong and supportive frame, a comfortable seat, and an under-seat storage pouch. It's a great walker for seniors and adults seeking stability. The wheeled walker has four 7.5-inch caster wheels for a stable roll, making it great for outdoor use. The hand brake can be pressed when needed or pushed down to lock the wheels. You can easily adjust the handle height from 31 to 35 inches using an easy turn lever. This walker also includes a removable hinged backrest that can be folded up or down. The simple folding design makes this rollator portable for easy travel and storage. It is travel-friendly to support your active lifestyle. Your Drive walker is backed by a limited lifetime warranty. You can buy with confidence knowing that it is protected. What we like. This walker is built for stability and ease of use. It features an adjustable handle, so it can be customized to fit your height. If you are looking for a reliable and portable option for everyday use, this is a great choice. What people say. It's easy to assemble, easy to fold up and light enough to lift into a vehicle while being sturdy. The wheels roll easily. The unit will be used inside 99% of the time and it works well on all surfaces, moving easily from hardwood to carpeting. Number 4. Medline Steel Rollator Walker with Seat. This rollator features a robust steel frame, capable of supporting up to 300 pounds. It's designed to provide a safe and comfortable experience for the user and their belongings. The ergonomic handles are easy to grip, even for those with weaker hands. Simply push up to brake and push down to lock the wheels. The handle height is also adjustable. Enjoy comfortable rest with a padded 12 by 12-inch seat and backrest. The seat flips up, and it includes a removable wire basket for convenient storage. The 17-pound frame is designed to fold easily for transport and storage. This makes it convenient to take with you or store away when not in use. Navigate any terrain with ease, thanks to the large, stable 8-inch wheels. This allows the user to move smoothly, whether they are indoors or outdoors. What we like. This rollator is built with a durable steel frame and features ergonomic handles for easy braking. It also has a comfortable padded seat and backrest. If you need a walker that offers both comfort and safety, this one is perfect for you. What people say. It is very sturdy. Very easy to assemble. The 4/8 wheels make it easy to move over carpet with little effort. Number 3. Folding Rollator Walker with Seat and 8-inch wheels. This rollator walker is designed to help seniors and those with mobility issues. It provides a safe and comfortable way to move around, giving them more independence. The walker features adjustable handles, ensuring a perfect fit for users between 5 and 6 feet tall. This allows them to customize the height for optimal comfort and support. With a padded seat and backrest, it offers a place to rest whenever needed. This feature is especially helpful for those who get tired easily, allowing them to take breaks. The walker is built with a lightweight aluminum frame, making it easy to maneuver. Its sturdy construction ensures it can withstand daily use. This walker is designed to help users walk more easily and confidently. It's a reliable mobility aid, providing support and stability for everyday activities. What we like. This walker features an adjustable handle and a padded seat for comfort. The lightweight aluminum frame makes it easy to maneuver. If you are looking for a walker that is easy to adjust and comfortable to use, this is a great option. What people say. Very sturdy, high quality, easy to assemble, easy to fold and store or carry around. Great walker for my mom who can barely stand unassisted. It's light enough for her to lift into her car on her own when I can't go somewhere with her. It is very sturdy and she is able to sit down when she gets tired. I ordered this rollator because it is lighter and folds smaller than her usual walker does. I can lift this one much easier and put it in my car trunk. The wheels are larger and they handle any bumps or doorways with ease. My mom wants to have a walker with a seat in case she feels the need to sit down quickly, and this has a seat that is large enough to feel secure to her. The backrest is a material that will adjust to her back, but it is stiff right out of the box. There is a carrier bag, but it is on the level of the seat, on the opposite side of where she walks, so it is not convenient for her to use unless she moves to the other side of the walker, sits down somewhere and then accesses it. The tote is roomy, and could hold a lot if she needed though. I really appreciate the easy folding and the light weight. Number 2. ELENKER All-Terrain Rollator Walker for Seniors. Introducing the ELENKER All-Terrain Rollator Walker. This walker is designed to provide seniors with a safe and comfortable way to get around. It's packed with features to make your life easier. The walker features large 10-inch PU wheels. These wheels are explosion-proof, puncture-proof, and non-slip. They provide excellent shock absorption, ensuring a smooth ride on any surface. The seat is made of high-density foam with a PU cover. It's more comfortable and durable than mesh seats. You can rest easy knowing it won't crack or crumble. Both the seat and handlebar height are adjustable. This allows for a comfortable posture whether you're walking or sitting. It's suitable for users from 4 feet 8 inches to 6 feet 4 inches. It comes with a large storage basket and a cane umbrella holder. The ergonomic handbrakes are easy to use for better control. This makes it convenient for everyday use. The product is 100% tested before leaving the factory. You'll also receive 24-hour friendly email customer service. This ensures you have support when you need it. What we like. This walker is designed with all-terrain wheels, ensuring a smooth ride on various surfaces. It also features a comfortable cushioned seat and a fully adjustable frame. If you enjoy outdoor activities and need a walker that can handle different terrains, this is the one for you. What people say. It seems to be very well made and love the big tires for all terrain. It is easy to use. The design is great. It can go over cracks in a sidewalk without any problems because it has big wheels. It easily goes over grass and gravel. There is a little food pad to press if you come to a curb. You come to a curb, you don't have to lift the walker yourself. Just step on the foot pad and it will lift the front wheels up in the air so you can get over the curb easier. Number 1. Helavo Foldable Rollator with Seat. This rollator is crafted from lightweight aluminum, weighing only 18.3 pounds. It's designed to support up to 300 pounds, providing reliable support for seniors and adults. The height-adjustable handles make it suitable for users up to 6.6 foot tall. Ergonomic molded handles and a wide seat with a comfortable backrest provide optimal support. This rolling walker folds effortlessly for easy storage and portability. The multifunctional travel bag doubles as a travel case, making it ideal for transport and travel. Equipped with 8-inch all-round tires, it performs exceptionally well on various surfaces. Its compact width fits easily through doorways, providing convenience for everyday activities. The walker features a safe, easy-to-use braking system with a locking mechanism. The wide seat and padded backrest make it a great solution for those who need a break on longer walks. What we like. This rollator is crafted from lightweight aluminum and features adjustable height handles. It folds easily for storage and transport. If you are looking for a walker that is easy to carry and store, this is a great choice for your active lifestyle. What people say. It double folds into a compact size that can be gate-checked, like a baby stroller, or stowed in an airplane closet. The rollator is easy to unfold, but requires some dexterity to set up, involving a pair of screws and cotter pins. Once set up, the rollator is sturdy and stable, adjustable handle heights, and intuitive to use. It is very comfortable to sit on. The frame is lightweight so it is easy for a week-old guy to load in the car. It works well for walking and was adjustable to just the right height. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.